She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and make some goodies just in time for the Halloween season. We're going to go ahead and make some mummy brownies. So, of course, this is a basic brownie recipe, but we're going to decorate these brownies and mummify them. So, hopefully, you guys are ready for this scary and delicious sweet treat. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share the video out. Definitely appreciate that, guys. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so by hitting that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so here are the mummy brownies. As you can see, they are delightfully scary and delicious at the same time. You can use any type of brownie mix you want. You could use a box brownie mix. In this case, it was just a quick and easy, simple homemade brownie mix that you can use. And also, you can decorate these however you want. If you want to make these into pumpkins or if you want to make them into ghosts, go ahead and be creative. This is just an idea just to get you guys going. Hopefully you did enjoy the recipe today. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you were terrified by these mummy brownies. Share it out. Definitely appreciate that, guys. And if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. You guys take care, be safe, and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.